Hey guys, congratulations on completing Kinematics Part 1. This is going to be the Kinematics Part 2 workspace. So I'm just going to kind of go through a few things to make sure that you know how to work your way through this one too. Right here, this is where this video is going to be, so you obviously found that if you clicked it. You've got your outcomes on the left again, just goes over what's involved in this one. There's only 4 lessons in this one, so it might be a little bit quicker than the last one. There's quite a few lessons. Well, 1 to 9 in the last one. Again, you can print off everything right off the bat here if you want. So lessons 10 to 13 booklet. It's not as long as the last one, and the review is there too if you just want to print like everything at once. The lessons are all in order here. I've got a couple of simulators that you can do on this one too. That's a picture of the simulator there if you click into it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The review is down here, so once you go through all the lessons, the review is down there. The evidence, again, is on the side. I've got the keys, so there's lesson 10 key. Sometimes there's a video that goes with it. If there's not a video that goes with it, it's just because I think the key is pretty straightforward. But maybe I'll look into the future. Maybe I'll make keys or video keys on those too. So 10, 11 doesn't have keys. And then there is a lesson 10 to 11 quiz. So once you get to that point, you're going to ask your teacher for the quiz. They're either going to give it to you or they will unlock this card. You won't see this card on your screen until your teacher unlocks it. And then there's lesson 12 assignment keys. There are links for these ones. So if you click into this, there'll be a page that opens that gives you the option to go into the actual key. And then another one that takes you to the video of me going through the key. Oh, now I got this thing in the way. Yeah, okay. All right, and then there's the 12-13 quiz, and then finally there's the Doomsday 1 to 13 test. And make sure you know this, it says 1 to 13 test. The way this course is going to work is that you are going to always have like a few questions that were from the beginning. There's not many. Most of this test, this lesson 1 to 13 test, most of it's on this, but you can't just forget everything that you've learned in the last unit. You need to kind of keep up with it. So I'm going to sprinkle in some old questions in there. And that's why the review that is here, and you can also print off at the top here, it's the same one. It says lessons 1 to 13 review. So it goes over some more questions like the ones that we started with. So hopefully that makes sense. Yeah, it's a lot like the last one. Actually, all of the workspaces are going to be really similar. So, all right, that's it for that video.